So floating through the cave, found my green crystals, feeling like I was being transported somewhere, but couldn't see it.
Right.
Feeling into everything, feeling into the possibilities of anything, but feeling a euphoric feeling.
Yeah.
Real euphoric feeling. Flying, feeling free.
Wow. So a sense of anything is possible.
Yeah. Anything's possible. It's like free of everything. Ego, no ego.
Yep.
It was paradise. Couldn't see it visually, but feeling it. Yep. I felt the experience.
Awesome.
Yeah. And I'm going to bottle it and take it everywhere with me.
Excellent. Yeah.
And compared to the experience of walking into this program,
yeah,
as I got sick, sort of in the middle, to coming out of it with this euphoria. Thank you.
Thank you. We can feel it. There's an energetic presence of that around you. Beautiful.
I feel held, deeply held. Thank you, Jenny.
Thank you. That sense of, when spirit tells us all is well, that's their words. But when you feel it,
yeah,
that's different. Well done. Thanks for sharing that with us.